Got a front load washing machine stopping mid-cycle, given an error code of A10. Here's how to fix it. Okay, I got a front loader washing machine here that's starting and then it stops. And it stops running. And it's giving me an error code of A10. Now what the error code A10 means, this one's a Maytag washer. It's a front loader. What the A10 means is the pump is clogged somewhere. Now, you can actually get to the pump pretty easily. On the very bottom there's a panel. You just slip a flat blade knife in there to press the panel and drop it down. You'll also, if you have a wet dry vacuum, you can vacuum clear the problem itself. But sometimes you need to take out the pump plug, which I'll show you in a little bit here. I actually took the back of the panel off to give you an inside look of some of the inner workings. And you can see the back side of this, the pump clean out from this side. But from the front side is actually where you want to get into it. You don't need to take the whole back panel off and go through all that. Again, if you vacuum out with a wet dry vacuum, that'll pull all the water, and of course you want to unplug it when you do any of this as far as taking it apart. But you can check for obstructions inside this little pump access area, pulling this out, inspecting it, making sure the propeller is able to spin freely, there's no coins, there's no anything hanging up, a sock or something that made it through, the missing sock, but anyway, pretty easy repair on the machine, especially again if you use that wet dry vacuum to pull out all the water from the back. If you don't, you're going to have a lot of water come flooding out of there, and you're going to need something to catch it, a bunch of towels or whatever, to get it going. But anyway, once you're done, the panel just sets back in, clips back in, and folds up and in. Again, pretty easy to work on the front loader machines, and they can be a little tricky figuring out because it's not always clear, like the start button and all that, and to get it running, and sometimes you gotta wait. But anyway, this is how to solve the washer error code A10 problem. And again, sometimes just vacuuming out from the back drain line hose is enough to pull whatever was clogging it out and clear it. But you can check it inside the pump check. Anyway, good to go here. And here's another look at the backside and how it works. The belt, how it turns the motor. You can see the motor harness, and you can see all the pump hoses. So if you did have to take it apart further, you could do that. Again, be safe, unplug the machine first. And this is where you can get in a little bit deeper to check things out. Inside that front panel, there's generally a service manual, or the manual that can help you a little bit through some troubleshooting. So pretty nice design. And again, this one fairly easy, to pull down the front panel with a flat blade screwdriver, fold it down, gives access to the pump clean out, nice and easy. Once everything's finished, got it running again. Can put it back together just by reinserting the front panel, and good to go. Nice and easy. Job fixed. Back in business. Washing the clothes like normal. Good to go. And I also thought you might be curious to see the machine running in action. It looks like a Ferris wheel or something anyway, from the back of it. But so I figured I'd give you a shot of that. Good to go there. I'm going to put this one all back together and wrap it up.